What's up, guys? Al here from Creative. Okay, so design trends 2020. What are we noticing? So way back when, we had the gradient and the drop shadow and the bling, right? Buttons, and it was all this great stuff, this neomorphism, right? And what ended up happening is Apple came along and Apple's like, nah dog, we ain't gonna do that no more. Check out this iPhone. And their icons went from being all like gradient and drop shadow to being just flat, right? So this flat, more metro design style. Well, now we're starting to see a little bit of a trend going back in the other direction, saying, wait a second, we don't have to like do everything flat, we can add a little bit of character to it. So now that's what we're starting to see. And I think the goal is to find a good blend between the two. You don't need to be super flat with no emotion or anything going on there. But at the other end of the spectrum, we definitely don't want to go back to where we were in the heyday of like MySpace pages, right? You got to find that balance between the two. White space, right? Honestly, we've gravitated towards this over the last couple of years, and I see no end in that trend. White space is king, negative space, right? Adding a space between your important elements or CTAs, your call to actions, your buttons is going to continue. Why? Because it helps users. The less stuff you got going on, the easier it is for me to cognitively understand what I'm doing. So custom illustrations are starting to grow a little bit more. It's a little bit more of an investment, but you get a lot of bang for your buck. Custom illustration is interesting. Why? Well, because normally when you're in a project, it's like, hey, you know what'd be cool? Some icons. Yeah, I love icons, man. Icons are cool. Hey, where do we get icons? Oh, we'll just get a graphic designer to make icons. Oh, cool. Hey, graphic designer, how much would it cost to make all these icons? Oh, it's probably taking about 20, 30 hours. What? That's too much. Let's go to iStock. Great idea, iStock. Hey, look, these are perfect icons. Yeah, let's use them. Great, we use them, and now we launch our site, our product. This is so cool. Hey, Bob, guess what? What? I see those icons on like 20 other websites. Really? No way. Yeah, it's true. Why? Because you can buy them on iStock, right? Or Shutterstock, whatever the heck you're going to. Custom illustration. Custom make the icon, nobody else can use it, only you can.